What if I told you that the reason you're not wealthy has nothing to do with how much you earn? Not your salary, not your background, not even your education. The real problem is how you think about money. Many people believe money is all about math, but in reality, money is behavior. And that's exactly what The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel reveals. Morgan Housel is a respected financial writer and investor who has written for major publications like The Motley Fool and The Wall Street Journal. He is known for explaining complex money topics in simple, relatable ways, focusing more on human behavior than technical finance. His book, The Psychology of Money, was published in 2020 and quickly became a global bestseller. Unlike traditional finance books that focus on formulas and strategies, this book explores how emotions, habits, and personal experiences shape the way people handle money. Through 19 short stories, Housel shows that financial success is not just about what you know, but how you behave. The book has gained popularity because it connects deeply with everyday people, helping them understand money in a practical and life-changing way. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you 10 powerful lessons that can completely change your relationship with money and maybe your entire life. Before we dive in, I'm joined by someone who understands money beyond just numbers. He's passionate about financial mindset, human behavior, and how our everyday decisions shape our financial future. John, it's good to see you. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. Excited to be here.
Lesson 1. Money is behavior, not intelligence. Let's start with the biggest truth. You don't need to be smart to be rich. You need to be disciplined.
Think about it. How many highly educated people still struggle financially? Because financial success isn't about IQ, it's about habits.
Can you save consistently? Can you avoid emotional decisions? Can you stay calm when things go wrong? That's what builds wealth. Lesson number 2, luck and risk. Here's something most people don't want to hear. Luck plays a huge role in success.
And risk plays a huge role in failure. Two people can make the same decision. One becomes rich, the other loses everything. So instead of judging people too quickly, understand that outcomes aren't always equal to effort. Stay humble when you win. Stay cautious when you lose.
Lesson 3, rich versus wealth. Let's clear a big confusion. Being rich is loud. Being wealthy is silent. Rich people spend money. Wealthy people save and invest it.
That expensive car you see, that's rich. The person who can stop working anytime, that's wealth. Real wealth is what you don't see.
Lesson 4, freedom is the goal. The real purpose of money isn't things, it's freedom. The ability to wake up when you want, work on what you love, say no without fear.
That's right. Money gives you control over your time, and time is the highest form of wealth.
Lesson 5, the power of compounding. Here's where most people get it wrong. They chase quick money. But real wealth, it's built slowly. Saving a small amount consistently, investing patiently, letting time do the work. That's compounding.
It's not about big wins. It's about staying in the game long enough.
Lesson 6, lifestyle inflation trap. You get a raise and suddenly your lifestyle increases. Better phone, better clothes, more spending.
And just like that, you're still broke. That's the trap. Most people increase their expenses as fast as their income. Wealth grows when your income increases, but your lifestyle doesn't.
Lesson 7, your money story. Everyone has a different relationship with money because everyone has a different story.
If you grew up with scarcity, you may fear spending. If you grew up with comfort, you may spend easily. What feels normal to you is shaped by your past. And that's why people make completely different financial decisions.
Lesson 8, always leave room for error. Life is unpredictable, emergencies happen, and opportunities come unexpectedly.
That's why you need a margin of safety. Savings, emergency funds, backup plans. Don't live on the edge financially, because one mistake can wipe everything out.
Lesson 9, learn when enough is enough. This might be the most important lesson. Know when you have enough.
Because chasing more can destroy everything. People lose money not because they need more, but because they want more than they need. Enough is not a weakness, it's power.
Lesson 10, calm wins. The best investors aren't the loudest, they're the calmest.
They don't panic, they don't chase trends, they stay consistent. In money and in life, calm always beats chaos. So here's the truth. Wealth isn't about how much money you make. It's about how you think, how you behave, and how you control your emotions. Stop chasing money, start mastering your mindset. Because when you change the way you think about money, money starts working for you. And that's when everything changes.
If this video opened your mind, share it with someone who needs it. And tell me in the comments, are you chasing money or building wealth?
Please subscribe to NJ Book Vault for more powerful and self-improvement books.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.